So, by the way guys, I do the test out of this product ni Dazzle Me Get to Grip. Get a grip pala. Prime and set and anti-pollution na siya. And this is my face currently at what time? What time na anak? 2:40 p.m. and my shift started at 4 a.m. So, 3:30 a.m. pa lang lumalarga na ako, no? And motor yung gamit namin papunta sa office. Gamit ko to, winner test ko to. If mahuhulas ba ng bonggang-bongga ang makeup natin. And this is currently the situation that I have for my face. Ayan siya guys. Here's my face. Hindi ako masyadong nag-foundation. Ang ginamit ko lang is itong multi-stick ni Sunny Space, which is nilagyan ko lang yung mga part na may mga dark spots. But initially, but of course natanggal na yun. Natanggal na siya. But look at my blush on and the contour. Yeah, okay. And the highlighter. Nandyan pa rin siya. No? So, this is the Get a Grip Makeup Setting Spray. Prime and Set Anti-Pollution. Siya ng how many hours? Like, more than 8 hours or 10 hours na. I can say all good naman to sa akin. Hindi ako nag-touch up, hindi ako nag-retouch. Kung so, kung ano nilagay ko at 3 a.m., yung pa rin yung makeup ko at 2 p.m. kasi madalas hindi ako nagta-touch up. And napatagal naman niya kahit pa until end of shift na walang na hindi masyadong nahulas ang aking makeup until makauwi ng bahay. Ito na lang yung aking wear test after this video. And yeah, ito lang problema ko yung kanyang spray. Hindi siya, mahirap siya i-spray. Ang hirap niya i-spray, talaga matigas siya. Ayan, at least ngayon mo, okay na kanina umaga, hindi. So, but sana, sana may ibang packaging na ito. Palitan yung packaging, lalo-lalo na itong, sprayer nila. But overall, all good sa akin tong, Dazzle Me na Get a Grip. But, of course, if may mas maganda pa dito sa market, let me know and we will try it and test it out. Okay?